What's up, students? Let's do the Old English Yeet. Find the slope of every segment, reduce fractions, no mixed numbers. If it's undefined, type a U. So with this one, the list gets pretty long. So if I were you, I'd probably do them on paper and then type them in separately, because on Schoology, it's a little bit hard to do things if you have to keep scrolling up and scrolling down. So here we go. Let's go one segment at a time. A to B. So basically, we're just going to keep using rise over run. I don't like how thin that is. We're going to plump that up a little bit here. Here we go. All right. All right, so rise over run. So going from A to B, that's basically what these are. These are all segments. This is saying A to B, the segment. So rise over run. Rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so 5 halves. Leave it as 5 halves. Don't need to reduce that one. We're good to go. Next one, A to C. Oh boy, going from A to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That would be 4 over 8, which would be 1/2 when you reduce it. All right, A to D. Oop, straight across. That's a slope of 0. Okay, rise over run. There is no rise. It runs a whole lot, but again, if it's 0 over any number, it's going to be 0 for the slope. A to E, we go down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a negative 1/5. AF, down 2 over 1, or think about 1 to the right, change in the height. Over 1 down 2 is a slope of negative 2. If you did rise over run, you went down 2 over 1, but that simplifies to negative 2. So on top of reducing fractions, if it's an actual number, make sure you write it as an actual number. Okay, all the A's are done. Let's do B's. B to C, down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a negative 1/6. B to D, oh boy, where's the corner? So sometimes it helps to find the corner on where to go. So down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, a negative 5/6. BE, down. Let me erase that stuff. Make it too much mess of it. If you copy this on your own piece of grid paper, it'll make life a lot easier for you. So try to do that. Make the corner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down, 1, 2, 3 over. So if you go 6 down and 3 over, that's going to be a slope of negative 2. All right, the B's are done. C to D, ooh, vertical line, undefined. Okay. If you make a vertical line, there's no slope that can be used to measure you, because your rise over run, first of all, does it go up or does it go down? And second of all, if you have no run, you would divide by 0, and you can't do that. That's against the rules. E to C, here we go, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 1, 2, 3, so 5/3. Getting all of these. E to D, up 1 over 3, that's the slope of 1/3. FB, ooh boy, 1 to the right, changing the height. Here we go, 1 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slope of 7. FC, oh boy, FC, there's the corner right there. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, 6/7, almost. If that was like 6/6 or 7/7, we reduce that to 1. FD, up 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 2/7. And then FE, the last one, up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4. I don't think we had any repeated slopes. I think we had one of everything, just about. Holy cow. We had a negative 2 and a positive 2. And wow, that's a pretty good spread. We have just about every slope possible. Only a couple had to be reduced. Most of them were good to go the first time. Just make sure if it can be turned into a number, a whole number, make sure you do that. If it's undefined, make sure you type a U. And if it's a fraction that can be simplified, make sure you simplify your fractions. Just no mixed numbers, of course. All right, that's about it for the Old English Yeet. We'll see you in class.